So good afternoon. So yesterday, before we go on with the reading session, yesterday we did mostly interrogative sentences, right? Of all tenses, and we said there binary questions. By that I mean that yes or no, yes or no. Only such answers are possible, not more options than this, okay? And then I said we did not discuss this. We said there is WH words which kind of gives multiple options, let's say, in terms of answers. That was the main note of the session, and you kind of, I thought you got things pretty well. I believe you did really well. So I hope you have got this type of sentences. Like as I said, another thing like negation also we did. By that we mean like you did it, you did not do it, you went, you did not go, that kind of things. He goes, what will be the thing? He does not go. Fine, everybody comfortable with that? He goes, iska negative form ye hoga, he does not go. So that is the negative form. And what will be the interrogative form? The question in terms of this binary question, he go, does he go or does he not go? Okay, I mean you understand what I am trying to do. You should be very conversant and very comfortable with these kind of things, because that's what you normally speak, normally ask. That's how you, these are the kind of things you say. So in terms of speaking also it will help, not only writing. Okay, so the more quickly you can construct such sentences, the more fluent you will become. The more confident you are, the more fluent in speaking you will become. So it helps in that way also, and that is why they are important, both in terms of writing and speaking. Okay, so fine. We will actually today our plan is like we will look at this be verb. Yeah, it's one of the most confusing verbs sometimes. Okay, so we will look at this and its different forms, like am, are. What is this tense? Simple present. Simple present, right? We can say present also, because sometimes people might say I am doing, then it will go to continuous. Present tense. And what will be the past tense? Yeah, I want to hear more people. I can hear only 2-3 guys from here. Yeah, you also know, I am sure, just not telling it out. What is the past form? Yes. And what is the future form? Yeah, so will be, shall be. Let's write like that, right? So, and we said we will very rarely use this. We are mostly using this, right? So we will look at this later on. Okay? That's what it is. Fine. So we will get on with the reading session first. Okay. So yeah, come up, and you start from this. We are starting a little behind. It's better to have the continuity. Yeah. Okay. This page, and take the mic.
Peter gets up on the boat and then he helps Jane to get up. पीटर नाव पे खड़ा होता है और वो
चढ़ता है. You can say gets up. खड़ा होता है, चढ़ता भी हो सकता है.
Gets up.
हाँ, gets up on the boat. That's what it is written.
Yes sir.
Gets up on the boat. मतलब ऐसे था तो
नाव
चढ़
पे
के
चढ़ा।
नाव
अच्छा।
पे गया, सो गेट्स अप ऑन द बोट, ठीक है, यस।
पीटर नाव पे चढ़ता है और वह फिर जेन को चढ़ने में सहायता करता है।
हाँ, so now you get the feeling. You can, kind of connect it to your
Yes.
sequences. Like you got up on the boat and then you are extending your hand to get somebody up on the boat.
यस।
So that's why it kind of makes clear that it is actually about getting on the boat. Okay?
इट्स अ बिग बोट, पीटर सेज, आई लाइक इट वेरी मच। पीटर कहता है ये बहुत बड़ा बोट है और
बहुत
मैं
बड़ा
इसे
नाव है।
बहुत बड़ा नाव है और मैं इसे पसंद करता हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ।
Yes.
यस सेज जेन, आई लाइक इट अप देयर हियर। जेन कहती है हाँ मुझे यहाँ पे रहना अच्छा
यहाँ पे
लगता
अच्छा लगता है, मुझे यहाँ पे आना अच्छा लगता है, या यहाँ पे आना अच्छा लगता है, right? You are now getting it nice these days. Fine.
आई वॉन्ट टू हैव अ बोट लाइक दिस वन डे, सेज पीटर। पीटर कहता है एक दिन मेरे पास ऐसा ही नाव होगा।
Absolutely. ऐसी ही,
नाव
okay,
चाहता
okay,
है।
okay. But I mean, he got the sense, yes. So he likes reading now so much that he doesn't want to pass on. I mean, that's fine. You can carry on. That's fine.
You can have a big boat like this when you are a man, says Jane. जेन कहती है तुम्हारे पास ऐसी बिग यू कैन हैव ए बिग बोट लाइक दिस व्हेन यू आर ए मैन।
सही जा रहे थे, अब बताइए, सही जा रहे थे।
जेन कहती है तुम्हारे पास ऐसी बिग बड़ी नाव हो सकती है जब तुम मैन हो जाओगे, बड़े आदमी।
जब तुम बड़े हो जाओगे, यहाँ पे मैन मतलब दैट सेंस ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप इज देयर, तो जब तुम बड़े हो जाओगे इज गुड इनफ, ठीक है। तुम्हारे पास भी ऐसा एक नाव होगा, फर्स्ट यू आर सेइंग दैट, बाद में आप वो भी को निकाल दिया, एक्चुअली दैट भी सेंस वाज देयर। तुम्हारे पास भी ऐसा एक नाव होगा जब तुम बड़े हो जाओगे।
ओके,
गेट द सेंसेस, यू आर डूइंग इट नाइस यू गाइस।
शी पुट्स ए हैट ऑन पीटर, इट इज टॉम्स हैट। उसने पीटर को टोपा उड़ा दिया।
एक बार फिर से पढ़िए।
शी पुट्स ए हैट ऑन पीटर, उसने
पीटर को एक टोपी पहनाया,
टोपी पहनाती
पहनाया।
है।
I mean, yeah, sometimes टोपी पहनाया, we are always think of that sense of making people fool, but we have to remember there was an original sense जिसको शायद बोले कि टोपी पहना, right?
वो पीटर को टोपी पहनाती है।
Yeah, that's how it sounds.
इट इज टॉम्स हैट, यह टॉम की टोपी है।
ये टॉम की टोपी है, ये हैट नहीं, ये टॉम की टोपी है।
There you are, she says, you look like a man now. उसने कहा तुम वहाँ हो?
नहीं,
There you are.
you look like a man now, yeah. तुम एक बड़े आदमी जैसा लग रहे हो।
There you are,
You
she
look like a
says,
man now.
you look like a man now.
ये देखो,
Okay.
there you are, ये तो आप बोलना चाहते थे, yes. These things are tricky.
उसने कहा ये देखो तुम आदमी
उसने
जैसे
देखा,
लग
ये
रहे
देखो,
हो।
तुम बड़े आदमी जैसा लग रहे हो। That sense, that feeling, there is this little feelings in those sentences.
The children play on Tom's boat. बच्चे टॉम की नाव पर खेलते हैं। Then Jane says, तब जेन कहती है I will do some more work for Tom. मैं टॉम के लिए कुछ और काम करूँगी।
और काम करूंगी या करना चाहता हूँ? I want है।
I will
करूंगी। You're right.
करूँगी। Help me Peter. पीटर मेरी मदद करो।
Now if you like really, thank you. That was good. That was really good.
पीटर हेल्प्स जेन, पीटर हेल्प की मदद करता है।
जेन की मदद करता है।
Oh, sorry.
You are so quick. Yeah, I understand.
पीटर हेल्प्स जेन, पीटर जेन की मदद करता है। टॉम इज गुड टू अस, ही सेज। वो कहता है कि टॉम हमारे लिए अच्छा है।
हाँ, हमारे प्रति अच्छा है, हमारे लिए अच्छा है, राइट।
सो वी विल हेल्प हिम, इसलिए हम उसकी मदद करेंगे।
बिल्कुल।
टॉम लुक्स अप एट द टू चिल्ड्रन। टॉम दोनों बच्चों की ओर देखता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच, धन्यवाद, ही सेज। टॉम दोनों बच्चों की ओर देखता है और धन्यवाद कहता है।
धन्यवाद देता है भी चलेगा। I mean, कहता है धन्यवाद इज लाइक मोर लिटरेरी ट्रांसलेशन, बट द सेंस इज ऑल राइट, किसको धन्यवाद देता है।
धन्यवाद।
That's fine. No, just a second. Can we go by this? It is easier to pass like that. After some classes, I have discovered that.
The children have a good time on Tom's boat. But बच्चों को मज़ा आया टॉम की बोट पे। उन्होंने एक
अच्छा
अच्छा
मजा,
वक्त
अच्छा
बिताया।
खासा मजा
अच्छा
आया।
वक्त बिताया उसकी बोट पे।
अच्छा वक्त बिताता है, राइट।
Tom has said they can have a look round.
या दे कैन हैव अ लुक अराउंड, मतलब क्या है? कोशिश करो, तुम्हें जो लग रहा है।
कि वो बोट को मतलब कि अच्छी तरह देख सकते हैं।
दे कैन हैव अ लुक अराउंड मतलब तुम चाहो तो चारों तरफ देख सकते हो, लुक अराउंड, ठीक है, मतलब चारों तरफ देखना। That's
Let's
it.
go down now, says Jen. I want to see where Tom eats. The brother and the sister go down. चलो नीचे चलते हैं, जेन ने कहा। I want to see where from Tom eat. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि टॉम कहाँ खाना खाता है।
Just a second. Yes, right. See, interesting thing, in the context of the same book or same series, someday I was talking about down. Always need not mean going down. Come down for a tea. So you can just come there, okay? But here it is actually down because they have got up on the boat. Why I said that it is situational and contextual. In the context, अपने मतलब जो सिचुएशन है उससे पता चलता है कि ये बोट के ऊपर चढ़े हैं, अब टॉम खाना खाते हैं तो शायद नीचे कहीं जाए, वो बोट के नीचे भी जैसे कोई खुपड़ी रहता है उसके अंदर भी जा सकता है, और दे माइट कम डाउन फ्रॉम द बोट, व्हिच विल बी क्लियर फ्रॉम द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे डाउन थोड़ा नीचे जाना।
The brother and sister go down. भाई और बहन नीचे चले गए।
Pass it on, yes.
Have you been down here before? Peter asked Jane. Peter Jane से पूछता है क्या तुम नीचे कभी आई हो? No, I haven't been here, Jane says. Jane ने कहा नहीं, मैं कभी नीचे नहीं आई हूँ, यहाँ नीचे नहीं आई हूँ।
हाँ, मैं कभी यहाँ नीचे नहीं आई हूँ। हाँ हाँ हाँ।
She looks round and says, here's a fish and I can see that Tom has apples and cake and milk.
Where is the trouble? Here is a fish.
नहीं, she looks round and says,
वो चारों तरफ
वो
देखता
चारों
है,
तरफ देखती है
और कहती है
ये देखो यहाँ पे मछली रखी है,
यहाँ पे एक मछली है,
यहाँ पे एक मछली है,
ये देखो यहाँ पे मछली है,
and I can see that has apples and cake and milk. मैं देख सकती हूँ कि टॉम के पास सेब है, केक है और दूध है।
बहुत अच्छा, nice. You can say in English, and you can, if you have a confusion, you can ask.
Next page. Peter looks out at Tom. We must not let him do all the work. We must go and help him, he
So
says.
you understand what is being said? So he said that we must help him. So we should go on to assist him in the work that he is supposed to do or something. Okay? Yeah, pass it on.
Yes, Jen says, but I want to come again. हाँ, जैन कहती है मैं फिर से वापस आना चाहती हूँ। I like it down here very much. मुझे यहाँ नीचे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
बिल्कुल।
Let's go up now. चलो ऊपर चलते हैं।
चलो अब ऊपर चलते हैं। There is now, अब ऊपर चलते हैं।
It's very hot down here. यहाँ पर बहुत
यहाँ नीचे
गर्मी
काफी गर्मी है।
यहाँ नीचे।
इस टाइप का। Very casual things.
The next day, the children are out in the sun again. अगले दिन चिल्ड्रन बाहर धूप में जाते हैं, बच्चे बाहर धूप में दोबारा जाते हैं. They are by the sea with
देयर फ्रेंड्स
वहाँ पे
वे
there by-
समुद्र के किनारे अपने दोस्तों के साथ गए.
या समुद्र के किनारे बोल सकते हैं बिकॉज वहाँ इज एक्चुअली पॉइंटिंग टू द सी बीच और सम काइंड ऑफ
सी भी
या समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. सो समुद्र के किनारे राइट देयर बाय.
ठीक.
दे ऑल लाइक टू प्ले गेम्स. उन लोग को खेलना अच्छा लगता है. दे रन एंड जंप.
उन सबों को खेलना अच्छा लगता है.
दे रन एंड जंप. वो दौड़ते हैं और कूदते हैं. वो लोग कूदते हैं और दौड़ते हैं.
फाइन बोथ विल डू.
एंड प्ले विद अ बिग बॉल. और एक बड़ी गेंद के साथ खेलते हैं.
बड़ी गेम के साथ खेलते हैं. फाइन.
इट इज़ हॉट. ये गर्म है.
यही मैं हमेशा बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ. आई अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज सम टेक्निकल थिंग्स, टेक्निकल इश्यूज. ओके, ईट कभी कभी सब्जेक्ट में यूज़ होता है अजीब गरीब तरीके से. बहुत ही अजीब है. वी विल कम टू दैट. व्हाट इज द टेक्निकल पॉइंट बिहाइंड इट. इट इज़ हॉट. इट इज़ हॉट मतलब गर्मी है. क्योंकि आप जब वापस वाले देखोगे कि मान लीजिए ये पूछा जाए गर्मी है, हाउ विल यू ट्रांसलेट दैट? It is hot. I mean, yeah, that is coming out of the obviousness, but try to think of the mechanism. Eat. मैं एक दिन पूछ रहा था आपसे. And it's good. Sometimes we do the reading and things come out. Things come out, right? Because the thing is, eat and there. We have this, and sometimes. Here I discussed in first 2-3 lectures that how here is a ball is here. Slightly different sometimes. This is also, I mean, एक गेंद है, so there is a ball. So there and eat, they are actually called, I mean, dummy subjects, technically speaking. They are called dummy subjects. Where there is not a subject, but you want to put a subject, you put eat and there. But don't do it as much as you like. I mean, there are cases where it can be done and where it cannot be done. Okay, so that eat and there, you don't need, when you translate from English, you don't need to translate that eat. You should say, you should know where it happens and you should translate it accordingly. Eat को direct translate नहीं करना है हमेशा. It is a ball, ये एक गेंद है, fine, that's not wrong. लेकिन it is hot, मतलब यहाँ गर्मी है आप बोल सकते हो, बट दैट डजंट मीन इट इज हॉट. देयर इज गॉट समथिंग डिफरेंट फॉर दैट. इट इज हॉट मतलब गर्मी है, इट्स इनफ. इट इज हॉट, गर्मी है. यहाँ तो होगा ही क्योंकि आप वहीं की बात कर रहे हो, जहाँ पे हो वहीं की गर्मी की बात कर रहे हो. अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव सेड, यू हैव स्पेसिफाइड. सो इट इज हॉट मतलब गर्मी है. गर्मी अच्छा लगता है या गर्म? तो वो लोग पानी में जाते हैं. कार्तिक माइक ऑन कर लो.
But they like it to be hot. लेकिन उन्हें गर्मी में अच्छा लगता है.
ओके.
When it gets very hot, they go into the water. जब बहुत गर्मी हो जाती है तो वो लोग पानी में जाते हैं.
राइट.
They all like to get wet in the sea. उन लोग को पानी में नहाना, समुद्र में
नहाना या भीगना
अच्छा
समुद्र
लगता
में
है.
भीगना या नहाना अच्छा लगता है. यस.
It's fun to get wet when you are hot, say Peter. पीटर ने कहा बहुत गर्मी है, आप फैन ऑन कर लीजिए.
यू हैव टू रीड द सेंटेंस अगेन.
इट्स फैन टू गेट वेट when you are hot, say Peter.
It's tend to get wet when you are hot.
It's fun.
It's fun.
Fun.
Okay, fun. Yeah, I mean, I was thinking about the sentence. Okay, it's fun
to get
To get
wet when you are hot, say Peter.
say Peter or says Peter?
Says Peter.
It's like this.
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये कमा है या नहीं है?
हाँ. Yeah.
कमा है. That's how it goes, right? It's fun to get wet. It's fun to get wet when you're
Yeah.
hot. Yes, translate it. I mean, translate it in Hindi.
पीटर ने कहा
हाँ.
गर्मी बहुत है और तुम लोग गीले हो.
No.
नो.
No.
गीले होने में अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत गर्मी
गीले
है.
होने में अच्छा लगता है, मजा लगता है
हाँ.
जब भी गर्मी होता है. और when you are hot, जब गर्मी लगता है,
जब
that's
गर्मी
fine.
लगता है.
That's why I'm saying it's not always easy to translate this eat or eats. That's why you got into a little trouble because you are trying hard on these eats. Okay, it's fun. जब गर्मी होता है, जब तुम्हें गर्मी लगता है, when you are hot, so जब तुम्हें गर्मी लगता है, तब पानी में जाना और या भीगना
अच्छा
rather,
लगता है.
तब भीगना काफी मजेदार है और भीगने में मजा आता है. In that sense, it is fun. Otherwise, there is no way to start the sentence. That's why this it is used. Yeah, I mean, yes. I mean, you can say many things, but this is what it means. Yes, you are hot. मतलब normally they say it like that. You are hot. You are feeling very hot, right? Yeah, मतलब काफी गर्मी लग रही है. You are feeling hot मतलब तुम्हें काफी गर्मी लग रहा है. या मतलब गर्मी लग रहा है. You are feeling very hot is काफी गर्मी. Okay? Fine. Carry on.
Yes, I like it very much, says Zen. जैन ने कहा
हाँ.
कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ. After they have been in the water, they run around again and then Jen wanted to sit down.
इतना पढ़ लेंगे तो एक साथ ट्रांसलेट करने में प्रॉब्लम होगा. थोड़ा सा करिए.
After they have been in the water, they run.
Yeah. Till then. इतना
कुछ
तक
समय बाद
कीजिए.
वो लोग दौड़ के फिर दोबारा पानी में गए.
जाते
वे सब दोबारा पानी में जाते हैं. एंड देन जैन वांट टू सिट डाउन. और वांट्स जैन वहाँ पे बैठ जाते हैं.
Want to
वो
sit down,
बैठना चाहते हैं. बैठना चाहती
है.
हैं. हाँ.
बैठना चाहती है. Yeah.
I don't want to sit down. मैं यहाँ नीचे बैठना चाहता हूँ.
बैठना नहीं चाहता हूँ ना. I don't want to sit down.
हाँ, मैं बैठना नहीं
चाहता हूँ.
से पीटर ने कहा.
Says Peter. Yes.
I want to make think. मैं कुछ सोचना चाहता हूँ.
I want to make things.
Things.
Yeah, I want to make things. Simple है. I'm not putting a closer look at it perhaps. I want to make things.
Make things.
I want to make things. मैं चीजें बनाना
चाहता हूँ.
Simple, very simple things you got. मैं चीजें बनाना चाहता हूँ.
You sit down and see what I can make. तुम नीचे बैठो और see what I can. और मुझे देखो.
और देखो मैं क्या बना रहा हूँ.
और
मैं क्या बनाता हूँ.
मैं क्या बना सकता हूँ. I can make.
क्या बना सकता हूँ. Right. क्या बना सकता हूँ. Absolutely. Fine. Okay. I mean it's the end of a page, is it? Fine. Let's close it. Close it. Yeah. We'll get on with things perhaps. And also people got a decent reading and people are liking it. But also whenever you get time, I know a lot of you are really busy, but whenever you get time, try to read on your own silently and try to get the meaning. So do that exercise. Huh? Okay. So classwork time. Okay. So today's classwork should be fine. Okay. As always. CW 9A and then CW 9B after you finish it. I mean, next one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, give them the sheets. It's okay, stay away. Fine, everybody ready? Yeah. क्या उन्होंने ट्रेन का इंतजार किया था? उन्होंने कितनी देर ट्रेन का इंतजार किया था? दिस इज द सेकेंड सेंटेंस. उन्होंने कितनी देर ट्रेन का इंतजार किया था? वह सुबह जल्दी क्यों उठता है? क्या तुमने मुझे कोई किताब दी थी? तुम दिसंबर में इंग्लैंड जाओगे? तुम दिसंबर में इंग्लैंड जाओगे? सोहन और मोहन बाजार नहीं जाते हैं. सोहन और मोहन बाजार नहीं जाते हैं. क्या हम लोग ताश खेलते हैं? क्या हम लोग ताश खेलते हैं? सेवन आई गेस. मैं पत्रिका नहीं पढ़ता हूं. मैं पत्रिका नहीं पढ़ता हूं. वे किताब नहीं पढ़ता है. वे पढ़ते हैं, नहीं पढ़ते हैं. वे यू कॉल इट ही, राइट? यस. वे मतलब देना. या दैट वे एंड वो इज ही. वो इज ही, आई थिंक. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ बोलोगी? Nine? 10? Fine. 10 minutes. Your vocabulary for some time. You will be a little amazed to find some of these words already in your classwork, though it was supposed to be taught today. But I thought that you folks are doing pretty well, so we can get a little ahead of ourselves once in a while. Yeah? Fine. So, yeah, Mike, please. We will quickly revise, I think, mostly common, rather customary. That side, yes. Yeah, read the first column.
Are, better, hold, by.
Better is, what do you mean by better?
अच्छा मतलब किसी से बेहतर.
किसी से बेहतर. So there is a sense of I mean technically 2% के अंदर. Yes, that's the point. You got it right. 2% के अंदर बोला जा रहा है better. ठीक है, generally, और या 2 subject के अंदर. हाँ. And there is a sense of, I mean they technically call it comparative degree. Comparative degree. Yeah, good, better, best. Right. But that's not the important thing, comparative degree. But you have to know that it's between 2 things. Yeah. Fine. Hold. We discussed hold previously. By we discussed. Yes. Pass it on. Next column.
Funny, warm, ate, full, those.
What is it?
It is like
Past tense of eat. Yeah, or second form of eat. Yes. Those matlab wo in the pluralistic sense. Fine. Yeah, pass on the mic to him, to her. Yeah, so once we have finished with mostly single vowels, so now we get into double vowels. There are a lot of things with sounds of E at the end of a word. I hope I sometimes said in the lecture that E is one of the most used used letters in the English language, in the English vocabulary. E is one of the most used letters. So we start our journey with E, which will continue hopefully to the end of the 4th module and that year-long course that all of you register. E is, I mean, if you get hold of E, you will get hold of a lot of things. Okay. We'll see how E kind of distorts a sound, changes it, sometimes remains silent, sometimes remain half silent, sometimes it is silent but affecting others sound, other letters, other vowels sound. Okay. So we'll see that. But firstly, to begin with, we will start with the flat ones. Okay. Right.
Age, blade, cage, cake.
Yes. Pass it to him.
Change,
Change.
date, flame, frame.
Right.
Game, gate, grab, hit.
Right.
lame, lane, late, make.
Yes, pass it on.
Name, page, paste, place.
Right. Karthik?
Plane, plate,
Plain.
race, rate.
Race, rate.
Rate.
Okay. First of all, any word that you want to know the meaning of. I was expecting lame, believe me. Yeah. Huh? Ek hai langra. There is another usage of lame. Like, lame excuses. Have you heard? Lame excuses. Huh? Suppose, I mean, yeah, lame, what he said is correct. Langra, that is one thing. But
Flame.
that is lane, L-A-N-E. That is lane. This is there after that. But I am talking about lame. Yeah, L-A-M-E. So lame, as he said, that is one correct interpretation. But ऐसे भी बोलते हैं. Actually, that is also in the sense of langra only. That is also langra. Langra. In the sense that lame excuses, like do not provide lame excuses for the job you have not done. जो काम तुम किए नहीं हो उसके लिए मतलब झूठा सहारा या झूठा बहाना मत बनाओ. Yes, झूठा बहाना.
Flame.
Flame मतलब वो जो not only fire, आग की लपक. That is flame. There is a difference between spark and flame. Spark is the स्फुलिंग, मतलब वो जो बिखरता है. That is spark. Okay. Flame is something, as he said. What he said? Lapak. Lapat. Okay. Fine. Anything else? What is the meaning of this word? Date? तारीख. डेट का मतलब है तारीख. और कुछ? There is somebody who said, who is that? Yes, I was asking for that one. क्या बोला? कौन से टप के खजूर में अटके? There is something na asman se tapke khajur mein, something of that sort. Yes. So this has another meaning is khajur. That is also date, absolutely same spelling, absolutely same pronunciation. Okay, it's the same thing. Pinjre, absolutely. Cage is pinjre. Lame I just said.
Excuses.
Lane, gully, lane. There's a blind lane as she said, and sometimes this lane, that lane, you name a lane. Lane number 9, yes, that is lane. One interesting thing, I mean, I'm not supposed to mention this, but I just can't resist to mention. Now, let me take these two words for a moment, hate and rate. Okay, let me. Right. But I want to show to you something which is not really connected to the meaning. I mean, I want to show you something which is more related to pronunciation and spelling, perhaps. Okay. What I am trying to say is this. So this is the word, and this is the word. And one thing I wanted to say, sometimes, sorry about that, sometimes I write R like this, sometimes I write this. I am not always, so I both are, okay, fine. So these words, and compare them to the words, okay, are saying something about E coming later on and doing things. Here is a good example. I mean, here are two good examples. I mean, I can tell you many such things, but we will not get like dot, dote, rot, wrote. Yeah, I mean, no, that's not the point I am trying to make. I mean, not these words. The point I am trying to make is this. See, hat and rat, as soon as this E came, hate, rate, the pronunciation started changing. Even for a poor one, I can show this. This LAN connection, we say, suppose it is not written like that, that is LAN. Actually, but whatever it is, say LAN, and you say lane. Local area network. Like you use internets, and that is in short form called LAN sometimes, LAN connections. Okay? So, lane. There are many such cases. Okay, like. You heard this word? And you heard this word? Cube? Again the same effect. Cub, cube, E coming. We'll talk about that later. Yes, grap and grape. Yeah, you can say that. You can say that. I mean, you can think of many such examples to validate the idea, this thing. This is not the point of this session, but I just can't resist myself to make this point because it is one of my favorite things. Yes?
Plane and plan.
Plan and plane. Yes. Thank you. Karthik. Oh, Karthik. Yes? Right. So these are the kind of things. It happens. We'll talk in detail in later modules, just to give you a thing of how it affects. And this is a very good pattern that you can develop, that sometimes if you know the A word, what comes after, if it is a E, you can guess the pronunciation, if you know it by rule, by logic. Okay. So if you know the logic, you can develop on your own spellings and pronunciations. If you hear the pronunciation, you can do the spelling. If somebody gives you the spelling, you can pronounce. Okay. That's the idea. Okay? Fine. Then we come to this much awaited thing, but you seem to know. So this be verb, what we were talking about initially, and that's where we come back because we have perhaps finished most of the other agendas. Yes? Any question? Okay. किसको? Frame. I have to think. I'll check back and I'll check and get back. What is that? Cage you said? No, frame. Dhacha. Is it? I don't think so. Dhacha I have heard, and that is not perhaps frame. Yeah, no, actually I have to think and I'll get back to you. Frame, I'm not sure. I mean, maybe it's like those daddies and jumps, all those things where we are more accustomed to saying frame rate. Even guys who like mostly proficient in Hindi, not so proficient in English, even they will say frame, camera frame. And so, yeah, that's a good question. I will check and I'll let you know. Okay? Fine. So, be verb का जो sense बनता है, be it in present or past or future, वो है था, रह रहा हूँ, रहूँगा. That sense, ठीक है? Of being, you have heard this word being, yeah? A living being. Being is not our point. This is different. But what I mean to say is, इसके साथ एक रहने का, होने का संबंध है, जहाँ पे भी वो sense बनता है. That, like, I am here. क्या मतलब है इसका? ये और इसको फ्यूचर करेंगे तो ओके सो एवरीबॉडी गोइंग फॉर विल हाँ नोबॉडी गोइंग फॉर शैल ठीक है आई विल बी हियर फाइन आई विल बी हियर दिस इज प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर सो सपोज आई हैव टू चेंज दिस आई टू वी यस we were here okay okay I'm just checking on things whether you kind of how far you are that is also an example of be verb in present tense how far you are we were here okay suppose I write there and I want to write he here और इसमें अगर इसको इंटरोगेटिव करना चाहता हूं तो इंटरोगेटिव ओके इज ही हियर और इज ही देयर फाइन ठीक है और इसको नेगेटिव करेंगे तो
इज ही नॉट देयर
Sure. Pakka. Is he not there? That's correct. Fine. Acha. So fine. So we'll start a little board work with you guys because you seem to be good. Yeah. So I will call some of you. I'll call some of you and I'll give you some things to do.
Past and past. Past and past.
वो ठीक हो जाएगा and the class should be involved. I mean, you should help him or correct him. I mean, it's a collective procedure. Cured? Huh? Yes. Yes. He will be fine. He will be cured भी शायद चलेगा in the context के लेकिन अब ठीक हो जाएगा मतलब कौन सा बैड हालत के हिसाब से वो ठीक बोल रहा है उस पर डिपेंड करता है क्योर्ड मतलब ही वॉज हैविंग सम डिजीज और समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट एंड ही इज क्योर्ड आप इस सेंस से बोल रहे हो विच इज परहैप्स ओके बट ही विल बी फाइन जस्ट दैट इज इनफ यस, तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ हो रहा था? ठीक में ही विल बी तक लिखना था. ओके, आई विल गिव यू वन मोर. मानस हाँ, चोर नहीं है. एक्सक्यूज मी. लंबी दाढ़ी है ना? ना, इसमें हाँ. thief. Okay. नहीं, before correcting, why you have to justify them? मतलब they might be wrong also. It might happen that you are right and they are wrong. So you have to justify why ये thief. मैं एक चीज़ बोला हूँ, फिर अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ और मुझे पता है मुझे और भी बाद में काफ़ी बार बोलना पड़ेगा. That noun, English language, singular form comes with an article. Right? ये noun है thief, कोई शक नहीं है इसमें. सिंगुलर है, कोई शक नहीं है. आर्टिकल रहेगा, कोई शक नहीं है. अब ए रहेगा क्योंकि ही इज नॉट अ थीफ. यहाँ पे कोई स्पेसिफिक चोरी की बात नहीं है. लाइक मानस वो चोर नहीं है जिसने उस घर में चोरी की थी. ठीक है, देन मानस इज नॉट द थीफ, देन द थीफ आएगा. हाँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे मानस चोर नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी जनरल, नथिंग स्पेसिफिक. सो वी लीव्स मानस इज नॉट अ थीफ. Okay, fine. ठीक है, rub it off. That one was right, other was wrong. रजत बीमार है. Be ready with the answer, but do not always tell him. Then कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है? बीमार में. अच्छा ठीक है, उसके पहले तक लिखो. स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? मतलब समथिंग. बीमार का मान लो कुछ है इंग्लिश, तो वो तो लास्ट में आएगा. हाँ, तो बीमार थोड़ा सोचो ना क्या होगा बीमार का. क्या बोलते हो तुम? मतलब सोचने की कोशिश करो. तुम्हारा सुना हुआ वर्ड है, इतना मैं बोल सकता हूँ. नहीं, सिक बीमार है. फाइन. और एक बोल सकते हो, लेकिन मैं बोलूंगा जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज राइट. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद दैट सेंटेंस. अच्छा, दिन अच्छा था. कर सकते हो. नहीं, दिन है. एंड यू गाइज ट्रांसलेट. आई मीन यू हैव डन. ओके, फाइन. Somebody said lovely. Yeah. Lovely is also one of the option. Nice भी चलेगा. But there is a problem. The same problem, as I said, I have to say it again and again, and I know. The day. That specific day, some specific day. That is also right. But I did not go to that direction. It was nice day, because then why it is coming, that's a separate lecture in altogether. That I said, dummy subject I have to talk, but the day was nice. चलेगा, बिल्कुल सही है. No, the day was nice. ठीक. मतलब ask them. I don't know. नहीं, the day or the day. Which one is correct? The day. So fine, you are correct. Okay. Good day. अलग लिखना चाहते हो या एक साथ लिखना चाहते हो? अलग लिखना चाहते हो ना भाई? हाँ, the day was good. और तुम बोलना चाहते हो it was a good day. जैसे मैंने बताया कि मैं ईट बना बगैर ईट के करना चाहता था. That's why. मैं भूखा हूं. Excuse me. बच्चे खुश थे. धीरे सोच के रख देना है. Okay. Again the same thing. You can write the children, but children is also fine because it's plural. लिख सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्लूरल में उतना झमेला नहीं है. झमेला सिंगुलर में है. That's what I am trying to impress upon you. सिंगुलर में ही सोचने का मतलब सोचने का मतलब सोचना जरूरी हो जाता है. Yes, good. अच्छा, उस दिन ये ट्राई करो, ये अच्छा है. उस दिन दुकानें बंद रहेगी और धीरे से करके रख देना है अपने पास. बंद रहेगी, रहेंगी. यस. You can correct. I mean, if you feel like anything, you should. Actually, I want you guys to correct. Yeah. Yes, folks. Tell me. No, would be is past हो गया will का. Would will not go to. ठीक है? Will be closed. Yeah, there is some point. I mean, the वो जो होगी या बंद रहेगी. I mean, you are asking basically will be closed or remain closed type का question. हाँ. नहीं, this is shut. No, I prefer closed more than shut perhaps because shut भी रह सकता है. हाँ, वो भी लिख सकते हो. Will remain closed is the best. लेकिन will remain closed actually I did not ask for because because we are talking about be verbs, so we want to have everything in terms of be verbs. Will remain closed is, huh? No, closed. What do you think? Closed is correct or not? Yeah, the shops. That's what she wrote. The shops will be closed that day. That is a question. But actually, I am happy that she has done it like this because that tells me that she is not always doing it with word to word, having the sense. Because that day can be transferred. That day, the shop will be closed. The shops will be closed. But the shops will be closed that day. Carries the same meaning. Sometimes you change it according to the emphasis that you want to put. ये जो extra चीज़ें हैं, that day is an extra चीज़. The shop will be closed. इतना भी the shops will be closed. इतना भी काफी था एक decent sentence के लिए. Yeah, I understand what you are saying. I understand that you are saying that shops will be closed. मतलब दुकानें बंद हो जाएगी उस दिन. That's what you are trying to say, right? हाँ, in that sense. But ये भी है कि we generally say it in the shops will remain closed. That's why you want to say it like that. But the shops will be closed that day. यहाँ पे actually I am not want to be I don't want to be very technical here. But the problem is ये जो closed है ना, this is not only a verb. It has an adjective sense about it. If I understand, I am not going. That's why I don't want to correct that sentence personally. Is closed may, though it is actually a verb in its participle or whatever, is closed has an adjective sense about it. The shop is closed. दुकानें बंद है. अब बंद एडजेक्टिव होता है ना, बंद दुकान. Closed shop. Shop is closed. Closed shop. जब closed shop बोलूँगा तब आपको कोई ऐतराज नहीं है closed adjective में. But believe me, they are kind of same. They're same. This is also an adjective. This closed. Okay, we will not get to this pretty technical thing. We'll see it later on. But I think that is fine. The shops will remain closed is also very, very correct. ठीक है? Fine. Good. Yeah, rub it off. Madam, one last for today. सोमवार को छुट्टी होगी. छुट्टी होगी. नहीं, वो छुट्टी होगी. मतलब किस चीज़ की छुट्टी वो बताई नहीं गई है. Monday will be closed. Okay. No, yeah, I mean, I use the duster. So Monday will be holiday. Any correction? होगी रहेगी. Any other mistake? There is a small mistake. Will be? नहीं, वो तो बोला नहीं गया कि सोमवार से छुट्टी रहेगी, सोमवार को. कुछ और गलती है. As I said, I have told this 100 times, and I am sure I will be telling it 100 more times, and then again I will be telling 100 more times that Monday will be a holiday. क्योंकि नहीं क्यों? That's why don't always correct it. Try to understand. Holiday is a noun. It's singular. जब भी ये phenomenon होगा, I mean singular noun comes with an article. Okay? Monday will be a holiday. Fine? Yes. That's a nice English. There will be a holiday on Monday. But again, just like it, I don't want to go there because there का dummy subject का problems आएगा. But that's a perfectly valid sentence. A better way actually. ठीक है? Okay, we'll kind of round it off. Fine. Thank you. Any question? Any question? Yes.
If I say that I belong from the India, it is wrong. But if I say I belong from the United States,
First of all, before you go on, belong के बाद from बैठते हुए देखे हो? Belong के बाद from I belong from, no. I am from, लेकिन belong के बाद to आता है generally. I belong to. Okay? Belong के बाद from, I don't think it will be correct.
from the India is wrong.
Yes.
But I am from the United States of America.
Right. Fine. Any other question? Okay. Have a good day.